TPMS sniffer. So this is what we were on about. You'll have seen this on Dave's RS video ages ago. I said, link up there, link in the description. So basically, this tool will detect and say what sensor's working, what sensor's not, battery level of the sensors, because generally speaking, that's your main thing, is they will go flat over time. They have batteries in them. Very simple, like anything modern today. So you literally go cars, Ford, focus, select your year, take a guess on when the car was made. I mean, if you know, you know, but it shouldn't matter. Direct sensors. If you don't know, direct uses an actual sensor in the wheel. Indirect normally uses the wheel speed sensor. So, and then we literally come up with a load of things, and all we're bothered about is check at this moment in time. Check sensors, and it'll give you an order in which to go round and sniff your wheels. We'll have to squeeze past Dave. Dave's on his AC regas. Did you find the ports, Dave?
Yeah, it's buried. Look at that, where it is.
Where are we buried? Where are we buried?
So that's there.
One right at the front, nice and easy. All the way down the back of the engine?
Yep. It's good job it's not hotter in it right by the turbo.
Oh! Would you expect it to be an easy place to do it, Dave?
It'd be nice if it was.
So, Dave was telling me before, an ideal thing to do is your readers on the back of the machine is to not actually go through the wheel, as the wheel could affect picking it up. Rest it on the tyre just by the sensor. Hit go. There you go, it's receiving some data, so let's see what it does. There you go. So we can see now that that sensor has failed. When it says a sensor's failed, David, normally the battery's just gone flat.
So the sensor's physically damaged or the battery's flat.
Yeah. Now,
way, it needs a new sensor.
We know this car from new, don't we?
Yeah.
So more than likely, battery's just failed, hasn't it, with age?
Yeah, so it was drive around, then it just stopped, so
yeah.
Check the others and see what we got.
So we're not going to retry that, we're going to continue with the process, because it asks you, do you want to retry? We're not. We're going to move on to the next sensor, so down to continue. So now it's asking me to do right hand front. So I'll do all three, more, and we'll get back to you. All 4 tyres sniffed, that's what we got. So we know we got 1 failed and 3 low batteries. So now we're going to get the wheels off one by one, pop the tyre, pull the sensors out, swap the sensors over, put them back in, program, job's done, out for lunch. Now, I know I always say I keep things cheap and DIY-ish, and obviously I'm in a garage. I'm using a tyre machine, but this is more just how to do something. And you know, you have this problem on your car, you can see it's not a complicated job to do. So you're going to a garage and they're charging you an absolute fortune. Go somewhere else. It's not an expensive job to get done. The sensors themselves are ridiculous. You can't get copies, that's what we're using. As you see in my garage at home, I've got a tyre changing machine. You can get them off Facebook Marketplace second hand, a couple of £100, less sometimes. You know, you can buy a manual tyre changer, bead breaker, which, to be fair, for doing sensors, I'd say it's probably alright. So we'll throw a link in the video description for some manual tools, tyre leaves, etc. Just for popping beads off and that. Give it a go. Take the core out, let the air out, pop it in the bead breaker, pop the bead. Don't know how much I'm going to have to pop it around, and then we're going to take the sensor out and jobs are good. That's it. No. Talking to YouTube.
No. Say again.
Do you listen more?
Oh, no.
So, pop the bead of the tyre. We squashed it down with the disc. You can take the whole tyre off is the easiest way, really. I'm just doing this because I'm awkward, you know what it's like. So that's your actual TPMS sensor. Pushes on to the back of your valve, and then it has one little tiny screw, holds it in, and then that, for all intents and purposes, is a normal valve. That is what's failed. Now, that's a genuine Ford one. You will pay a fortune for that. I say a fortune, I just mean it's not 50p. What Dave's got. Where did I put it?
The sensor?
Yeah, we had one out before.
I was playing with it a second ago because you loosened the screw, didn't you?
You're always playing with it?
No,
Ah, there we go. So,
you just need to tighten that screw.
it's that. Now, yes, it's a bit bigger. It's like having an aftermarket part. So these are made by Right Sensor. The reason we're using these is they came with Dave's machine. So Dave's machine can program aftermarket sensors to the car and it works. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And what I'll do is I'll get the rest of this valve out, like a normal tyre valve. We'll pop the new sensor in, tyre back on the rim, fill it with air, we'll pop it back on. We'll do all the three of them, the other three, all the three. There's 4 wheels on the car. There is 4 wheels on the car. And then we'll go through reprogramming them. Dave in his unnatural habitat of work.
I'm actually dirty.
Dave doesn't like to be dirty, that's my job. All 4 sensors are fitted. We did a quick balance on all 4 wheels, which were very good actually, because they've not been touched since whenever the tyres were fitted a few years ago. So all 4 wheels are back on. You can hear Dave's just talking the last one up. We are actually talking them, you know. While I was doing that, Dave has pulled the AC gas out, done a recover, vacked it down, checked for leaks. Have you regassed it, Dave?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's got fresh AC gas in it as well. So we'll see what the temperature is like in a few moments with a little temperature probe. And you grease the hubs as well before putting the wheels on? Lovely, it's what we like, a bit of grease. Now, what's the next thing now, Dave?
Pull it on the ground, pull it out. We'll just redo the pressures because we rapidly inflated them. And then we'll program the sensors. And then breakfast or lunch.
Brunch?
See if it actually chills down. If not, there's another problem, and there's another video.
Temperature probe, and it's not for Dave. See what that gets to.
Yeah, it smells like AC gas in here.
Does it? I mean, working, so the system's working, it's coming down lovely. Look at that! Don't know whether you can see that.
Yeah, it is working.
9.4, still going down.
Yeah.
So it is working beautifully. You just so we're on.
It's got another whip then when you walk past.
Do we need?
Yeah, so it's telling you that it comes up. So ignition is turned off and apply parking brake. Inflate tyres to correct pressure. Read all sensor IDs using the tool. Turn ignition to on. Some vehicles may need the engine to be running. Connect OBD as prompted by tool. Follow prompts and tool will update. So leave the engine off.
Right. Engine off. Sniffy sniff. There's engine off. Do you not want to do the inflation first?
Yeah, forgot about that.
Yep. So we're going to get the nice fancy tyre inflator. Look at this bad boy. Oh. Digital tyre pressure. Right, pass your airline thingy. What did we say we were doing in the front? 32s and 30?
31 all around.
Oh, 31 all round.
I was reading that while I was on the ground.
So, as always, on the car, tyre pressures are listed.
16 inch, 1 to 3 people, 31 psi.
31 all round. Yeah?
Yeah.
31 it is. Set to 31. If it's too high, it'll release it. If it's too low, it'll inflate it. So that was a smidge high, that one.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Has it got a battery in it?
Yeah.
No, I've lost it really. So I disagree with you a little bit though. That says it's 32 psi.
We're allowed forever, aren't we?
Yeah.
So they could be 32 all round now.
Last show.
Yeah. So that's the left front you've just scanned and it's picked it up now, hasn't it?
Battery status okay. So overall status okay. Battery's good, and the PSI is
32. Yeah. And that's the one that was completely dead, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Nothing to it.
That's a good start.
So again, 32. So
32. All okay. Yeah. And you can see it takes seconds. So don't be getting a garage to fob you off for £100 for setting a sensor up.
31 PSI, so there's a bit of an argument there.
What's a PSI between friends?
32 PSI.
So, all sensors have linked.
Yeah. Connect the Bluetooth OBD module.
Right, so that's now going to plug into the car, and this is where we program it to the car itself. Yes. Okay.
That should light up like a baboon's arse. I don't know if you can see.
Ignition on.
So I don't know if you want to read that out.
So what's it say now? Connect the Bluetooth, done that. Ignition on, done that. Below dashboard, driver side. It actually tells you where it is on this. Yeah. Idiot proof.
Well.
Press enter and connect the wire. Yeah. So enter. Start installation. What is it? So what we're doing now is we're going to recheck the sensors so that the machine has got the sensors that we fitted, ID, information, everything. Then we're going to select the other option on the menu because the first way we tried it didn't work. So we're a little bit confused. It's all new. So let's see. Bloody computers. So, what have we sussed out now, Dave?
No, first time it didn't work. Tried it the second time and said check TPMS lights off.
And the TPMS lights off. But what we did figure out is it probably needs the engine on for this one.
Oh yeah, it did say in the instructions some cars might require the engine on. Done it with the engine on, exactly. So,
just turn the engine on and it worked. So TPMS lights out. Now you go round, all the sensor batteries are good. All the pressures are red. It's working back to normal. So as I said, this isn't really a DIY job. But, you know, depends how far you want to go. You might be able to get a little tool or something that does it, like Dave did off the internet. They're not cheap. I will find them. I'll throw some links in the description, etc. But this is mainly just to show you it's not a massive job. If you're getting quoted stupid money from a garage or a dealership or whatever, maybe look elsewhere. Get quotes. Big thing, always get quotes. Don't just go to the first garage. We like getting dirty. That's why we're doing it. So you don't have to if you don't want to. So we've now potentially got a little bit of an AC leak. So there'll be another video on this, but for now, tyre pressure monitoring system's all working, the AC is working. I'm dirty, Dave's dirty, he's going away for a few days, he's having some turkey teeth done. So, as always, like and subscribe, videos are up there, other videos are there, we'll see you again soon. Ta-ra from me and bye-bye from Dave. See you again.